The question arises, how can water pollution be controlled or be reduced? We can't stop the water pollution at random. What can be done to reduce water pollution? The laws for industrial units should be strictly implemented. The industrial laws are there which do not allow anyone to pollute the water. Those laws have to be implemented strictly so that the polluted water is not disposed of directly into river and lakes. If you come across any industrial unit which is causing water pollution, you must inform the local bodies, the local magistrate or the local DM, that this industry is throwing waste into the river. Water treatment plants should be installed in all industrial areas. At our individual level, we should consciously save water. Reduce, reuse, and recycle should be our mantra. Now, we can reduce the wastage of water. We can reduce polluting the water. How can we reuse the water? What can be done to reuse the water? Once the water which has been used, how we can reuse it? So, the reuse of water can be done like the water which you use for washing of clothes can be used for cleaning of the house. The water which you use for washing of vegetables and fruits, you should not throw it. The water which you use for washing them, it can be used for giving water to the plants. Now mostly we know all this, but we don't do it because we are getting enough amount of water in our houses. But if at an individual level we start doing it, then thus we can give our contribution to save water and recycle the water. When we reuse the water, we can recycle the water. Now, how can we recycle the water? The same way, the water which you have used for cleaning of fruits and vegetables, washing them, that water can be used for giving to the plants. The water which you have used for washing clothes can be used for cleaning of the house. Then the water which is mostly when you use an RO machine at home, when you use it for cleaning and when you switch on, you will see that it filters the water, but while it is working to collect the water, a large amount of water is thrown out. That is a reverse osmosis. So the water which is thrown out from the machine can be collected and you can use it for washing of utensils. It can be used for washing of clothes. The water is waste, so we can give it to the plants. That is how we can save water. How can you save water in your daily life? There are various ways which you can think. We can think of creative ideas like reusing water used for washing and household tasks. There are various other ways in which water can be